and also this very harsh weather that we're all managing, laying on the well-established protocol by the umpire. I want to first of all thank the Almighty God for this very special day, because without Him, it wouldn't have been possible. I want to thank also the contractor, the chairman of the board of MCC, who have shown so much support in the course of our administration. There is one thing in awarding a job, another is delivering on record time. I want to appreciate the contractor for standing by his words. Let me also thank the great people of Egbeda, in extension, the Emowa local government area, for your support before the election, during the election, as well chronicled in the record that was read by your spokesman here. And after the election, you have shown so much support. And for us, what do we owe you? We owe you the dividend of democracy. And what is the dividend of democracy? Service to our people. We are just starting, I can assure you that. And if in 4 months we can do this, and we are getting this level of applause, you can imagine what will happen when we do 1 year of our record time, 2 years of our record time. I mean, River State will have experienced something different from the regular governance. Let me say just a few things about this project. The Permanent Secretary has explained the nature of the project before we came in and what happened after we came on board. Is to tell the world that our concern remains the welfare of the people. There's nothing wrong in building a road. There's nothing wrong in promising to develop an area. But what is important is when you want to do those things, do it to the satisfaction of the people. And what we have done here in Egbeda today is not just building internal road for you, but meeting your needs, solving your problem, your flood problem. That is what we have done. So I want to also thank you for your support, because you cooperated with the contractor. That is why he delivered on record time. I've heard your requests. You want an extension of the other side of the road? We're going to do it for you. You want an upgrade of your school? I will come for a town meeting for that one. I'm not going to decide on that today. I will come for a town hall meeting, and we'll discuss, and whatever it is you need, after consulting with all of you, we will grant your request. Thirdly, you also mentioned about your school. We are going to upgrade the school. But we are not going to make it a boarding school, because you all know the situation of our country. This is a local place, a village, community that you're managing. Putting a boarding school here is creating problem, not just for the government, but also for the locals. So they will upgrade the school to a standard school, but not with boarding facility. You are aware that even the ones we've done before, they are not functioning. I'm a pragmatic person. We'll go for what we know that is operational. So the school go and rest, we're going to do it, but we're not going to take the burden side. Let me assure everyone, more especially the good people of Emowa, the Egbeda community in particular, the Royal Highness, especially for your love for our administration. I want to assure you that we'll protect you. Don't be scared. By the special grace of God, we still have all it takes to decide what happens. We'll protect you for your position today. We'll protect you for your position tomorrow. For our traditional rulers that are here, I want to appreciate you for working with us, joining with us all through the 23 local governments in this journey of showcasing the activity of our administration in 4 months. And when I use the word 4 months, I know why I said 4 months. We started full governance in the month of February. That was when we started taking decision, when we started confronting governance. And I'm proud to say that our people are happy with what we have done. So our leaders, our traditional leaders, don't be worried. We all have your back. We'll continue to watch, protect, and defend you. Don't be scared of any rumor you're hearing. What we want to do for our people is to bring governance to our people. Service delivery at record time and cost effective. Note the word, cost effective. Everything we're doing is in my white paper. I carry it along. So there's no issue of any manipulation. Call me any day, anytime, it's there. Even the one I did before this time, I still have all the records. If you call me any day, I will bring the record of all my activities in government. Because I know that as a civil servant, what is most important is record keeping. So that if you're not there and something happens, it's just for somebody to take up a file and you'll see the history. That is how I'm trained, and I have that in my mind before I do anything. So I'm not scared of anything. Anybody who calls me up any day, anytime, I have my record to show. I have all the approvers to show that I acted based on approval and not personal decision. So let me thank you again for your support. You've been here since 11 o'clock. I want to appreciate you and let you know that we are not going to rest until we make everyone happy in Rivers State. For the community, I think the government allows me to be a farmer. So I think when I leave here now, I'll start farming. Since you're giving me over 200 plots of land. So I want to thank you for that gift. I accept it not because I'm overhappy, but will I say you're compelling me to take it? No. I'm accepting it because I see it as a gift of love that is coming from a community that is showing appreciation for what we have done for them. We're going to keep it and decide on what we're going to do with it. Maybe government will decide on doing a project in that land for the well-being and the good people of